to make today Nethili. It means a small fish. Added 4 small onions. Grind it like a paste. See, I made it like a paste, onion paste. Add oil, then add those onion paste to it. I have added 3 teaspoons of red chili, ginger garlic paste, 1 spoon ginger garlic paste, a pinch of turmeric, and half teaspoon of black pepper. Adding some tomato sauce because I don't have tomatoes. I forgot to bring, so I'm adding some tomato sauce. If you have tomato, you can add 2 tomato paste. I'm adding little water with the leftover paste. Add that paste water. Boiling, you can add Nethili. Want to know how I clean the Nethili? Please comment. Give me a comment. I'll show you how to clean the Nethili. Boil. Now is the time to put Nethili inside it. The Nethili inside it. Let it cook for 20 minutes in low flame. Added garam masala into it. That's it. It's done. Nethili salan is done, guys. Thank you. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and like the video. We'll see in the next video. Bye. Thank you. Jazakallah khair.